Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Monday, January the 7th, 2013. Today we're going to be looking at the PowerShares DB US Dollar Index Bullish Fund, basically the US dollar. And I'm looking at this as being basically finding resistance at the same point here, here, and again here. And this is when viewing as a shooting star signal right here, even though it's not quite the same. It basically is the same thing. We opened up here, rallied, sold off the rest of the day. Given the same thing, we got confirmation today, and this is to me looking like a pullback here. We may find some support down here. I don't know yet, so we'll advance the stock once we get to the middle Bollinger Band line. But for now, I'll be looking for this as a short opportunity. You also want to note that you got good volume on today's activity, and if we move on up, look at the ultimate oscillator, you can see we are coming off of the overbought condition there. All these things tell me to look for the U.S. dollar to sell off. At the same time, we're coming into the fourth quarter earnings. So I'm expecting the markets to rally to the upside. That would put, again, people would be running around selling the dollar to buy stock to get a hold of that rally. So this is something that I'll be looking at, saying that it's confirming what I'm anticipating with the markets to do is continue to tighten up on the sideways moving activity we've been seeing and then rally to the upside. The last chart we'll be looking at today will be the Milan index, the MIB. You can see we talked about this one on Friday. High point here on the ultimate oscillator, lower high, the following move there. So you kind of downtrend going on. Same time period on the price activity, you can see the high point here, the high close, I should say, and then pulling down here to the high close here. You can see that we're trending up. That is a bearish divergence telling you that this right here is an overshoot to the upside, will be erased. So I'm looking for this to pull back down here, filling this gap and finding support upon previous resistance, and that'll basically give us a little support about that same little area there. So there's a little downward move happening here. I want to use that downward move as a buy opportunity when it does get a bottom and we get a hammer candlestick formation at that bottom of that pullback right here. Look for something like this, and now we'll get marking the chart telling you that if we get confirmation, we'll be buying again, because the overall trend is still up. So this little move that you see here that I've got marked, this little black arrow, it's just a small move. Don't be looking for a massive amount of money to be made there. So if you do trade this, we're looking for confirmation, taking out this low point tomorrow. If you get that confirmation, you can get short with a stop right here. Look for a little pullback, and then be looking for an entry opportunity on the long side or cover your shorts. If you've not been to the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. God bless, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.